until I finally decided to give him a chance after he surprised me with flowers on my birthday. Everyone else forgot. I let him take me out to dinner, and while we were on our way, everything was going smooth. Then out of nowhere, a deer jumped in front of the car, causing him to swerve off into the ditch. We were now headed straight towards a building with no time to stop, but at the last second, he turned the car to take the impact on his side instead of mine. As a result, I was unharmed, but the blow put him into a coma. Thankfully, he woke up 3 days later, but we quickly realized he had minor brain damage and lost his ability to speak. He had to go to speech class, and I went with him to all of them to support him along the way. This is what made me fall for him like no one before. He struggled to say certain words, and after his speech therapist asked him to tell her what the word happiness meant, he started stuttering. He couldn't get the words out, so he just pointed at me and said my name. It caught me so off guard that it made me start tearing up, and even the speech therapist had to pause for a moment because she thought it was so wholesome.